Mr. Bernido H. Liu, 933,880,178 votes. Mr. Manuel V. Pangilinan, 924,899,728 votes. Ms. Bernadine T. C., 919,859,922 votes. And Mr. Victorico P. Vargas, 892,687,188 votes.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. May I hear a motion on this particular item? Microphone 2.
Good morning, Mr. Chairman. I am Lance Montemayor. Based on the report of our corporate secretary on the votes garnered by the 11 nominees from the stockholders, I move that all the nominees be declared duly elected directors of the company for the ensuing year until their successors are elected and qualified. And for this purpose, resolution number 2026-4 be adopted.
Thank you. Any second? Microphone 4.
I second the motion, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. It has been moved and seconded that the 11 nominees to the board be declared duly elected directors of the company for the ensuing year 2026 until their successors are elected and qualified. Accordingly, resolution number 2026-4 is hereby adopted, and the following are declared duly elected members of the board of directors.